This summer we visited National Museum in Astana, Kazakhstan. If you live in Astana but haven't visited this museum yet, then I recommend this place for you. We visited museum with our daughters and they also enjoyed this museum very much. Okay, so about the museum. It has 9 floors. It's about 74,000 square meters. So if you decide to visit the museum, please consider this fact. You'll need time for this museum. Be ready to spend at least 5-6 hours there. By the way, there are places where you can eat, sit, and also there's a small cafe where you can have some coffee, snacks, etc. The museum is really big. I'll not tell you what you can see there, but I can just say that visiting the National Museum in Astana was an unforgettable experience for our family. We left with a deeper appreciation for Kazakhstan's rich heritage and a greater understanding of its place in the world. If you ever find yourself in Astana, this museum is an absolute must-see. Bye-bye.